Alright, once again, before this video starts, make sure to follow me on IG. You see it right there. A the barber. I was hyped because my sneaker compost right here, I almost hit 1,000. I haven't hit 1,000 likes on a picture yet. You see right there, I got 978. Crazy. But yeah, I be posting fire pictures, so please go follow your boy, man. I post all the stuff I find in the thrifts if it's fire. So make sure to go follow me so you can see the fire before I even upload it to YouTube. But yeah, you see it right there, A the barber. The link is down below. I put it in the comment section. So make sure to click the link and follow your boy. What up, guys? Finally at the thrift once again. You see I got the Gucci on. Haven't thrifted for like 4 days just because I've been like super busy with just stuff going on in sneaker con this past weekend. But, update. Your boy got an iPhone 10. So follow me on Instagram because the content is fire. But yeah, just got here. Gonna post up for a little bit before I go in. And then it's time to get back into it. Hopefully, since I haven't been here in a while, the fire is gonna come. Let's go. Yo, this is fire. I thought it was just gonna have this right here, but it's a vintage Sony jacket. Look at the back. So clean. And for only $6, scoop. Super random, but look at that 7-Up Bottling Company of Los Angeles. It's like a crate. Dude, this is so hard. It says 7-Up right there. Also says it right there. I'm probably gonna pick this up. This is so tight. It's actually on eBay. Hold on, let me show you guys. Right there. See it? On eBay for 100. Yo. Size medium for $4. I was about to leave this thrift store too. Yeah, baby. Look at that embroidery. Super clean. Found this vintage tee right here. My next husband will be normal. And then the vintage Tommy Big Flag banger for $10. Scooping. I guess. I got these vintage Nike Challenge Court. Where's the logo? Oh, right there. You see it. With a white tag right there. I got this bootleg guest pouch. It's a little keychain. Probably gonna pass on this. But don't look that tight. Found this in the hat section right now. I'm here at Savers. See it right there. Polo Sportsman. Little strap back. You see the polo in the back. A little blurry. Hold up. There you go. For sure scooping. And then I found this vintage striped tee. Calendar. This is where you go before you go out. Probably gonna cop this. And the hat. Yo. I have not had to grab a cart in so long. Look at that. Hold up. Get that clear up. Some vintage Gucci sunglasses. You can't really see it, but these are so fire. I'm probably gonna get like custom lenses for them. Vintage Champion tank top. Very cool screen print. Shaquille O'Neal, baby. Levi Sherpa. Sorry, I got interrupted. But vintage polo. Strap back, the Levi Sherpa, and then this right here is fire. It's a vintage Blackhawks hockey crooner. That screen print is crazy. Scooping all of this, boy. Yo, this is wild right now. I just ran into some people from Maryland. They drove here and it took them a week. And they actually follow me on YouTube and Instagram. Just shout out your Instagram.
Okay, Photog Pioneer FT or PHOT OG Pioneer.
And Beauty and the Hype Beast, Grails.
Yeah, check out our Grails. Forget my Instagram.
Alright, so make sure to check them out. Showing love. Appreciate you guys.
Alright, take care.
Dang, they got these Urban Jungle Air Force Ones from 2014, size 8. They're asking for $8. I'm sure they're asking for. Yeah, they're asking for $8. Maybe scoop. It's kind of tight. Wish they were my size. And then I found these right here. Some Jordan 4's, size 13. Should I cop and just sell them for the super low? Like super low? They're asking for 20 for these, size 13. We'll see what I do. I just realized that those were the Jordan 4 Motorsports. Scooping for sure. $20. Cop. Okay, the BAPE tee. Unless you don't know how to tell how these if this is real. I'm probably gonna pick it up anyways. They're only asking for 20. It does have the inner tag. It's right there. Bathing ape, and then it has like the gold ape tag right there. Probably still gonna pick it up. DKNY vintage. One size fits all. And then it's actually a guest towel right here. Jeep, I guess. It's more new age though, so I'm probably gonna leave this one. I might pick up this hat. So fire. Vintage Guess corduroy jacket. For sure scooping this. They're only asking for $8. Tagged XXL, but I see the tag right there. Scoop! Dude, the wash on this vintage Levi's jacket is so fire. It's not a Sherpa. I'm probably gonna cop this. That wash is too clean. $30 though. I still got a scoop. This is so hard. Just look at the detail. So clean. Morning, guys. I'm out here in Silver Lake, stopping at a donut shop real quick. You see the hat? Because I got invited to Depop, their space in LA, and they just want to show me around and have a little meeting, see what we can get popping. We're here at Donut Farm. It's good. Dang, man. Yo, this donut farm, I honestly thought that was just like a regular donut shop, but I walked in there and I was like, okay, this is kind of a little nicer than a regular donut shop. But a basic glazed donut from Donut Farm was $2.50. Donut Farm, you bugging, bro. $2.50 for a donut, but your boys gotta eat because I have nothing in my stomach right now. But let's eat this donut real quick and let's head over there. Peace. Yo, what's good, guys? So I just got here. Your boy hit that parallel park in one shot, baby. We just got here. I'm about to walk up. I let the homie know that I was gonna be there at 9 o'clock. About like 2 minutes, so let's walk over. Okay, the full court basketball court. But yeah, so just to keep you guys in the loop, Depop hit me up. I'm not gonna say who hit me up from Depop. Depop hit me up and he said he loved my channel and everything, and he wanted me to stop by the space, which I'm pretty excited to see. Yeah, Depop. It's kind of like a Poshmark. Basically, it's a buy, sell, and trade. It's pretty big. You can look it up on Instagram. They have almost like 300,000 followers. Just about the same as Poshmark, I think. But yeah, y'all want to see the fit? Got a pretty low tank top inside, just chilling because it's hot. Got my chain, the denim jacket, the Levi's. The wash on this is so fire. Gucci, Gold God shades, and then I got some shorts on with some slides. Keeping it really simple and always cozy. Let's get inside. All right, so y'all see it right there. Depop presents. Imagine my name right there. But yeah, the homie just hooked me up. He let me inside, and now I'm just gonna show you guys what it's like inside there. It's already pretty tight. I just looked inside, but let's get in. This is so dope. The Tommy? Oh, that's hard. In the middle of the chest. The homie. What's up, bro? How long you been working here? Look how fire this guest piece is. What other guest pieces do you guys have in here? Yo, I know it's a little dark right now, but the meeting went well, and you know we here by Goodwill. So we gotta pop in before school. Come on. So I found a vintage Reebok windbreaker with the spell out on the arm. Asking for $6.49. This is size medium. And this vintage tee right here. A little army tee, and then this Pendleton bag. Might scoop this one. I'm not sure yet. Yo, good morning, guys. All of you guys are always asking, why do you sound so bored? Why do you sound so tired? It's because I am tired. I really am tired though. I just woke up this morning at like 7. I cut up my brother and my pops. And then now I just got to the thrift. Early start to the morning. Damn, my camera is blinking right now. It says that it's about to die. Uh-oh. I'm gonna save it for footage in the thrift, so I'm gonna go. Peace. Got this vintage Nike windbreaker right here. Huge gold check. Nothing on the back, but the thing is, this one's kind of like stretched out. Like it's not scrunchy anymore, if you know what I mean. Damn, but I still kind of want to pick it up because like it's not in that bad a condition. Like it could definitely still be worn, but they're asking for 20. We'll see. Yo, you guys, I'm speechless right now. It's literally the first time this has ever happened to me. Look what I just found in the pockets of this jacket. I just tried it on, I unzipped it, and then I put my hands inside. Look what I found. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. You see it? That's a $20 bill. Oh my god. The come up? Look at these Marlboro shorts right here. These are actually kind of tight. It's like a plastic material. Found some undefeated joggers. The only flaw is that tiny hole right there. But they're tag size large. They're kind of small. And these are actually like women's. Just got the logo right there and then pocket in the back. Might pick it up. They're asking for $8. We'll see. Got this Patagonia jacket right here, size small. Got some flaws to it though, so I'm gonna leave it. This one I might pick up. Vintage, logo athletic, Dallas Cowboys. With a huge helmet in the back. They're asking for $8 on this one. So we'll see. We got a Gucci belt back there. Not sure if it's real though. Another Dallas Cowboys piece. Printed on like a newer sweater though. Probably gonna leave this one. The screen print's cool, but looks like a reprint. Got this vintage beanie right here. It says Ernie in the back. No idea why, but it is actually an authentic. It's not even a bootleg. It's got the tag right there. Imagine I screen printed like a picture of Ernie from Bert and Ernie on this beanie. That looks so fire. Yo, what's good guys? So that's gonna wrap up this trip to the thrift. I woke up super early today. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. just to knock out this video, to edit it and upload it for you guys before I cut hair, because I gotta cut hair at 8, 9, and 9:30. Gotta get on the grind extra early every morning. Gotta keep pushing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys didn't know, I did upload a double upload for the first time about like 4 days ago. It was SneakerCon day 1 and day 2, so make sure to go peep that because your boy cashed out a rack. Yes, $1,000. So go watch it. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, just like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, so you guys get to see the fire before I even upload it onto YouTube. I post on my story, my actual post, and I post fire, so just go follow me on Instagram. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, this was Trip to Thrift. I don't know what number, but you already know slogan to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? And we out.